Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. We are going to be completing the back of the marble game board today, and it's such a great project because this is not just a game board, it is an art piece. And if you haven't seen the first episode of the marble game board, go ahead and watch it, and it'll show you how I shaped it and how I drilled all the holes, and it was a lot of fun. But now we are going to be creating the art piece so that whenever we're not playing this game, it can hang on the wall and be just a piece of art to look at. So this game board is called Karma, and so we're kind of going with Karma theme. So I know that it kind of looks like a yin and yang, you'll see that, but to me, I think it just kind of goes along with the theme. So anyway, I think that by the end of this, you're going to love what you see because it comes out beautiful. So, all right, stay with me, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Well, all right. That's not half bad. Okay, it's not bad. And now I'm just going to go around and mark everything that is going to remain black, and everything that's going to remain white. That way, I will make sure I carve just the things I want to carve. So just for my sake, because I'm forgetful. What happened was grease started coming down from the shaft and got in here, which made it overheat. So I had to take it apart, and I was supposed to take this apart, take this off, and wipe out all the grease. But this piece right here, which is pressure fitted in there, came off. It's not supposed to come off. And because it's pressure fitted, I don't know how to fix it. So, oh well, spare parts. I got myself a new one, got a 1-year warranty this time. Let's get back to work. tired of painting. Let's just make this happen quickly, all right? And there, that was much easier. Now we can move on to the fun stuff. I don't know what I'm doing here. I haven't decided what colors I want yet. I'm just kind of winging it, so we'll see what we do here. So far I've chosen like a green, a brilliant red, a kind of a pink. I think this one's called a portrait pink, and I don't know what else, so we will just see. Let's see what happens. That's the fun of blending paints, is just to put them on there and see what happens. And it's kind of like cooking. When I cook, I'm a pretty good cook, as you might have been able to tell. Anyway, when I cook, I just put ingredients together, and I don't really know what I'm doing, and it always comes out good. You can ask my kids, my wife. Well, maybe not my kids. They don't always like everything I cook, but that's kind of the way it is when I paint. I just kind of blend colors as I go, and usually it's okay. So we'll see what happens. Come on. All right, so that is completed. The last thing I'm going to do is put a clear glaze on it. It's a triple thick crystal. So get that done, then we will be done with the back at least. Man, I can't even begin to tell you how happy I am with how this came out. I'm not trying to be egotistical or vain or anything, but I could sit here and look at this for hours. You know, there's so much to it in my mind. At first, I wasn't sure if I should carve out the white, but I'm glad I did, because to me, you know, you have two paths in life. You have the easy path, which is nice and smooth, which is probably the bad path, and then you have the hard path in life, which in this case is rough and unfinished looking, which is how I wanted it to be, and that's going to be a hard path. And then all around you have kind of chaos, but it's also beautiful at the same time. And man, you know, I don't know if I really meant it that way, but that's what I see when I look at this. And anyway, comment below and tell me what you see when you look at this. And then stay tuned, because the next episode will be us finishing up finally the game board side, which is going to be a piece of art in its own right. And then I'll have a bonus video at the end of that showing my kids playing the game and showing you how to play it, because it is a lot of fun, this game. So thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share this video, get the word out. You know, I really appreciate you guys, and have a good day.